Test number 2. Test number 3. You ready for this, Ellie?
I don't see your head.
What? Test number 5. And then this one should be the real deal. It's hard with you watching me, Ellie. Do you want to join?
Huh?
Do you want to join? Hello, the big wide world of YouTube. My name is Denise, if you do not know. This is my little sister, Ellie. Ellie. She just wanted to join because she just got home from school. And the reason for this video, I wanted to do an Arbonne haul, an unboxing. And it happened to just show up and Ellie just got home. So we're outside. We're probably gonna be sweaty during this video, but it's okay. Give this thumbs up if you live in a hot environment and you feel the heat. You're ready for fall. I am. Okay, with further ado, let's get into the video. Ellie, do you want to do that with me? You're going to do this and you're going to say into the video. 3, 2, 1. Into the video. Okay. So, I'm setting this box aside, taking out all this paper. And the first item I see is some protein shake mix. It's vanilla. It's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and all Arbonne products go by the European standard, which I think cancels out like 2,000 ingredients, and the United States is like 10. So basically, this is a whole lot of good for you. Next product. We have another of the vanilla. Last time I got Arbonne, I got chocolate and vanilla, but I didn't really use the chocolate as much as I did the vanilla, which is weird because I'm a chocolate person. But the vanilla just gets used a whole lot more because I use it in smoothies and everything else pretty much. So, dos vainillas. Next, we have a daily fiber boost because what Arbonne is 2 shakes a day. It can be breakfast and lunch. It could be lunch and dinner. It could be breakfast and dinner. Who knows? But basically, you have 2 shakes a day and then you snack throughout. It's not a liquid diet by any means. So, yeah, not a liquid diet. But you have a shake. I like a shake for breakfast and a shake for lunch. Ellie's my little sidekick here. And you want your fiber in there just in case you don't get it in all of your meals, which a lot of people don't get it all within the meals. So you put this in there and wha-bam, it's good. Ellie, you want to go wha-bam with me? In 3, 2, 1.
Wha-bam!
Okay, so wha-bam goes inside of your shake and you got your fiber for the day, which is really, really nice. So you're wondering, how do you survive? You're drinking 2 shakes a day. 2 of your meals a day are liquid. What? Ellie, do this with me.
What?
Okay, so basically you snack throughout the day. You have nuts, you have berries, you have fruits, you have veggies, you have whatever that's healthy snacks. If you're hungry, you eat. You shouldn't be starving on this cleanse whatsoever. Right, Ellie?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Also, I'm just making this fun, making it sound like a commercial. I'm just showing you what I got because I'm excited about it. No, by no means do you have to buy it. I mean, you can. You can shop from my link if you want to, but like, I just like these products, so why not? I just get excited. Next, I have Greens Balance. You can also get the daily cleanse, it's like lemonade instead, but I already have one of those because like they're good. So I decided to get something else in my box. I've never tried this. I'm really excited for it because it has greens and I need those because let's be honest, the reason I want to do this is because I've been eating Chick-fil-A every day and my body's like, help me, right? I mean, Chick-fil-A is great, but my body can't take it anymore. So, cleanse commenced. I'm sorry, this is so crunchy and cheesy, but it's okay. Next are the detox teas. Now it sounds like detox because it's called detox. Here, Ellie, you can hold this one. I'll hold this one. It comes with two. The box comes with two. And the thing is, they're delicious. It has so many good things for you. It has thistle, peppermint, dandelion, sweet fennel, nettle, parsley, licorice, all good things. It's not gonna make you poop your pants like many detox teas will. Honestly, I just drink it because it tastes good. It's a nice before bed drink. Right, Ellie?
Right.
My mom loves it because it's dandelion, which is good for the gallbladder. She got her gallbladder removed, and before she got it removed, she drank a lot of dandelion tea because it's good for you. Then I showed her this, which has dandelion in it and mint. Cosmo came to join. It's a whole family over here. All right. This is Cosmo, my little baby. He's my dog. I love him. He's a puppy. He's a lab mix. And we love him. So if you see the top of his head somewhere, that's what this is. It's not a chicken this time. If you've seen my past videos, go look at my chickens. They're not in this video. They're on the other side of the fence. So, yeah, this is Cosmo. He can't fit on the bench, or else he'd be in the video too.
Yeah, we
Okay.
also have cats.
Next in the video, you hold this one, I hold this one. So these are for the caffeine addicts, for the soda addicts, for the energy drink addicts. And they'll change your life. They are little packets. I'll open one. Last time I got these, it comes with a lot. It takes you a long time to go through these. I drink like 2 a day sometimes, and I still have a bunch. And now I have more because they're great. My dad loves them. I love them. They come in a little packet like this. You pour it in like a water bottle, shake it up, and it will fizz a little bit. And this is pomegranate, hers is citrus, and they're both just really great and yummy. And I think that they're good soda replacements on the Arbonne diet or Arbonne cleanse. A lot of times I tell you to cut out caffeine because the goal is to cut out things that are highly allergic or could be reacting too badly to your body, and you slowly reintroduce them after the 30-day cleanse. Well, last time I went 15 days without caffeine, or 16 days without caffeine the first time around in the cleanse, and I'm gonna not lie, I could not make it the whole 30 days. I made it halfway through, and then I was like, caffeine, I need it. So
And don't let your kids have it.
that's good advice. So basically, I had coffee, but this is like a soda replacement, or even if you're drinking soda, they're still just really good. So we're gonna set these aside. Next is the Digestion Plus. So you put this in with, Ellie's showing all the products right now. Okay, you good?
Mm-hmm.
So you put this in with your protein and your fiber. It helps with digestion, just as the name infers, or the name implies. 3 more products. You hold them and I'll talk about them one by one. Actually, I'll start with this one. So, news story. Whenever I became an Arbonne consultant, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of it was just for the discount. I just really like these products, and so I want to buy them for cheaper price, which makes sense. Who doesn't want to save money, right? So with that Arbonne consultant thing, it came with a lot of samples for me to give to people. Now, I'm not a big salesperson. I'm not very good at selling products. That's not my forte. It's not. So I didn't try to give I didn't give really any away. I gave like maybe 2 away to my friends, and then I kept the rest, and I used all the samples. and I finally ran out of samples, and I'm really sad about it because they were really good. And my face has broken out. There's like, it's covered in makeup all right here because I stopped using the samples when they ran out. So I ordered some masks. I ordered some more. This, but in the big size, not the sample size, which is really nice. This is the facial cleanser, and it looks like this. So it's nice packaging. I really like it. I've never had the full size, so I really wanted to open that and see what it looked like. And this is on the RE9 Advanced line. They have tons of facial cleansers and stuff, but this one is the only one I've used, and I really liked it, so I got the full size. Next.
We're gonna start with that one.
I can do this one. Okay, so this is a night repair cream. I usually use it after the facial scrubber thing. I've never had the full size of this either. It comes with like a little, I guess, facial applicator. I don't know what this is, to be honest.
Yeah,
Maybe
she
it
hasn't
opens it.
had one that has that.
And then this is the cream. It's really small, but I'm sure it has a lot in there. It smells nice and it has a lot in there. So that's cool. I'm excited for this. It makes my skin really nice and soft, and I'm just excited to have a full size. And honestly, some of you might not give a crap about what I'm saying, but I'm just excited that I got a package. And you can shop my link for this, all this stuff individually or in this big box like I did.
Next one is this. Talk about it. I want to open it.
I don't know what it is. This is the first time that I've ever had this. This is a replenishing hair mask, and I honestly did not order this. It smells kind of fruity.
It actually kind of
Oh, it goes on my nose.
She got some on her nose. Isn't that funny?
And it smells really good, and it's like really soft.
Here our dog is Cosmo.
Hello, baby. So basically, that's a hair mask. It came with free with my box because I'm a consultant, and they just gave it to me because why not? I don't know how it is. I'll let you know in my next video if I remember. I have tried all of these products and I like them all except for the greens. I have not tried this. So there's two that I've never tried, which are these two, the hair mask and the greens balance, but the rest I've tried and I really like them. And I think I'm done with my Arbonne haul. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed me rambling. That's basically what all my videos are. So
Yeah, if you
I'm gonna sit back down. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the cringe. I hope you enjoyed me ramble, because that's what all of my videos are. If you haven't checked them out, go and check them out, and then watch me ramble and look at my chickens. Ellie's not in them, but she's in this one, so that's fun. My next video will be about motivation and being in the gym, and it won't just be sitting in one spot. If all goes as planned, I'll be all over the place in that video, which might be a train wreck. So keep your eyes out, subscribe, and put the bell notification so that way you can watch and see how it goes. Anticipation. It's like a season of a show and it's just not coming out. Will I crash and burn, or will I succeed? Who knows? I don't even know.
just
Okay.
watch the video. Now, we are done.
Okay. Well, keep on keeping on, my dudes. I will see you in the next video. Adios.
Now, you better have a good day.
You better, or else Ellie will come and find you. I'm done now. Bye.